Hey, what's going on, guys? Load it up, load it up, load it up, load it up. I hope you all having a good time, man. I catch some good fish on gold today. Damn, what a trade, guys. This week has been a roller coaster ride, man. Up and down, up and down. Yesterday I was taking too many trades, too many emotional trades. I was a little bit too hectic about my decisions in the market. But yeah, today I catch a really good trade. So what happened yesterday, guys? Let me check. So we are up around 140 grand for the week. Yesterday I had that profit, but I was giving it back later on that session. I was trying to get some more buy entries, and then I gave back all my profits and made a loss of 2% yesterday. And then today I started with another loss, but then I catch a really great trade, and I've recorded that trade, so I will show you the exact trade and how I managed the trade in a second. But let's go over gold. What was happening, guys? So on Monday I missed that move, guys. I missed that whole move on Monday. Over the weekend I was in Amsterdam with I was visiting a good friend. We had a business meeting and we were working on some stuff and other businesses as well. And yeah, on Monday I was still not really checking the charts, so I missed on that whole move. I hope some of you have catch that one, because I think I've shared this analysis right here when the market was around in that area, that the market will go up, and I hope that some of you could have banked off of that consolidation zone over here, that breakout. I mean, that was an easy trade, guys. You see this big consolidation, the market is moving up and down, and then here on the breakout you could have made a really nice trade. Look at that, boom, big figure number, psychological level 1800, and most of the time just before that many buyers are about to bank the profits, and so the market keeps dropping. So over here is a psychological level just before that big figure number, and the market drops, and it drops every time it hits that spot, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the last couple of days. So what happened, guys? Yesterday I started to take a long position over here, got stopped out, and then I took another one over here, boom, banked my profit somewhere in this area, and then the market dropped like crazy, like a falling knife. And then I expected that it just wanted to grab some more liquidity to push to the next level to 1810, but it didn't. It never did that. So I was losing some money trying to catch the bottom of the market. You know, that's something that I cannot recommend to do, guys. But if you're in the trading game and if you're looking at the 1 minute chart, things can get hectic, and sometimes you take emotional decisions and you rush into trades too early, trying to catch the bottom of the move just to get the perfect entry. But it's much better to wait for a little bit more confluence. So what happened then? Yesterday I finished the day with some positions in here. I holded them overnight. Everything was great. I had my stop at break even, and then I got stopped out. I thought it was only a liquidity grab, so what I did, as soon as I saw that the structure is about to get broken over here again, I was buying again, because I was not losing anything. I was down 2% from yesterday, and I was like, okay, we have now a nice structure break, so I was getting in again over here. But then the market made that double top, boom, big liquidity grab just below that recent low, and then I saw buyers are stepping in, and I was like, okay, it kicked me out, but I will give it another chance. So I was loading it up. My risk was really low. My risk was maybe around like 80 grand, 90 grand, something like that, 1% or something, because I had that one candle stop loss rule, you know. So yeah, I was scaling it up big time on that one. And as I saw that thing is moving, I was putting some more positions on the table. And then we had that nice breakout of this double bottom, this double top. We break through that, and then I was moving my stop to break even. And then when I saw the market is consolidating around in that area where we see, it was a previous resistance level, and then the market was slowing down. First of all, I thought maybe it will break through, because if it slows down like that, I can see it, I can show it to you on the 1 minute chart. If it slows down like that, most of the time we see a nice push. But I was moving my stop just below that. I can see it I can show it to you right now on the live trading example, because I've recorded that trade. I show you how I managed my stop. And yeah, but I expect I think I'm going to get another buy entry over here with low risk. I see bullish structure. I'm getting in right now. Let's risk a 0.5%. How much we have over here? That's 10, 20, 10, 20. Okay, let's just give it a try. Just a quick one. Just because I was really expecting the thing to break through and maybe get another touch to the 1,800 level. Maybe 1,790 would be awesome if we can hit that spot. Let's see. I'm long right now, looking to get in again, but with lower risk. I already banked a big profit, guys. I can show it to you right now. 1 second. So yeah, so this was the trade, guys. This was the trade. As you can see, I took a big loss this morning. But anyways, my stop, as you can see, I was really, you see how I entered on that engulfing candle over here? Can you see how I entered on that engulfing candle over here? Boom, I was getting in, loading it up. My stop was below that thing. Really low risk. Boom, that thing was moving. I was like, okay, let's get in again. Boom, it keeps moving, keep printing bullish candles. And then I was risk free, saved a lot of profit already. And then around in this area, it was just consolidating. I can show it to you. Market was just moving sideways, and then I decided to, okay, let's not give back too much of the profit. So let's get this thing a little bit closer, guys. So yeah, and I think this was the moment of truth. Wait, okay, I gave it some air to breathe, but then I was like, okay, let's save some more profits. And yeah, later on, market was moving like, yeah, first of all, I thought, yeah, we get the breakout, and then it came back down and stopped me out, unfortunately. But with a nice profit of around 480,000 or something like that. That's a good trade, guys. Boom. So we are back. We are back in the game. We are back in the game, guys. I got some running on gold. As I told you, I was putting some positions on the table. Yeah, I got some running on gold, guys, as I told you. Let's see, maybe we can get the blast through the recent high over here. If we can get that blast, ooh, there's a lot of space. Maybe another 100, 200, another 100 or 200 pips on gold. Let's see. I hope it will make that move. We're still early in the session. 1 hour 30 minutes in the New York session is still a lot of potential to catch some more good movements. I think we have more like two hours of big movements coming. Let's see, guys. Most of the time it takes like 2 or 3 hours where we get the move when the New York session starts, and then after that it's getting slower. But let's see. I hope maybe we can bank just another one. I will keep you updated, guys. Thank you for watching. If you need some guidance, guys, check the links in the description. You can join my free Telegram channel. I will share some analysis over there, share some results, and keep you updated about my trading journey and all that stuff. And if you need some more guidance, if you want to talk to me, you can drop me a private message. You will find a link inside of the description as well. And yeah, if you're ready to learn how to become a consistently profitable trader, learn all our strategies, then check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course, guys. That's the real deal. I wish you all the best and have a nice day, guys. Peace out.
Every time What you know, every time I why you falling in love.